Our newest penthouse listing is gonna leave you feeling like you're on top of the world.
So Scotty, we have seen a lot of condos in a lot of buildings in a lot of cities, and few will stop you dead in your tracks like our newest listing. Why don't you tell our audience where we are today and what makes this one so special?
I am still picking my jaw up off the floor from this one. It is truly a one of one in every aspect of this condo. First of all, of course, we're on the penthouse. We're the top floor, and we are directly on the front of the building. Not just a piece of the front, though. We are spanning the entire front of this building, all overlooking picturesque Little Lake. Not only do we have the whole front of the building, the entire front of that building happens to be this incredible 500 square foot terrace. Now, usually we would start these tours with maybe a look at the outside of the building, a tour or a walkabout of the neighborhood. But let's be honest, when we're choosing condos right here, it's all about the outdoor space, and this one is the absolute crown jewel. You've got space out here for lounging, for dining. Maybe you want to set up a putting surface, whatever your wildest imagination can run to, you've got the space for it here, and it has the most expansive water view you are going to find, over 180 degrees. It is absolutely spectacular, but that is just the tip of the iceberg. This suite is the largest in the building. It's the only 3-bedroom in the building, and it has the rare offering of 2 indoor parking spots. Let me tell you, this is the one that wants you to pull out the checkbook.
Yeah, that's right, Scotty. This is truly a one-of-one unit. Now, that's a lot about the unit. Let's talk about why people move into a condo in the first place. We know historically that our buyers for a product like this are going to be downsizers who are leaving a home and they don't want to sacrifice on any of those must-have things, right? I'm talking big living rooms, dining rooms, multiple bedrooms, multiple parking. Well, this one has it all. But when you're moving into condo lifestyle, you want the conveniences that come with it, and it doesn't get much better than this, to be honest with you. Now let's talk about your day-to-day stuff, right? You need to get groceries, you need to put gas in the car, you need to go to the bank, or maybe you want to go out for a bite to eat. That's all right across the street here, literally within walking distance at Barrie North Crossing. And you're also surrounded here by the not necessarily day-to-day amenities, but the things that are also important. I'm talking about the hospital is just down the street from us. We also have a medical center here, which has a pharmacy, doctor's offices, radiology, all sorts of things there as well. And we know that with the condo lifestyle, it's not necessarily about being here all 12 months of the year. We have lots of snowbirds or lots of cottagers as well. Well, when it comes to that, the convenience and access to Highway 400 is second to none here. You can be northbound or southbound in just a minute. It doesn't get much better than this, guys. We're so excited to show you our newest listing. Let's get inside and take a look.
Welcome inside the seriously stunning Suite 1105. Now, there's a ton you're gonna love about the fit and finish of this suite, the location of this suite, and the size of the suite, so let's get into it. First of all, the fit and finish is spectacular. It is dressed to impress in here, from the engineered hardwood and beautiful tile that run end to end throughout this condo. And then from there, it's the 9-foot ceilings, and of course, the nice neutral palette throughout the entire suite. This kitchen is where all the entertaining and the fun is going to happen. You can just picture your family and friends laughing around this beautiful quartz island. It's got the undermount granite sink, not to mention the stainless steel appliance and the tile backsplash. From there, it all overflows into this massive living dining room combination. Just the ideal spot to sit back and relax after a night with family and friends. But let's talk about the elephant in the room for a moment. This unbelievable picturesque view of Little Lake from wall to wall from the second you walk into this condo. It is second to none.
This penthouse suite certainly has a ton of wow factor, but for me, it's all about the functionality of this unit. As Scott mentioned, it's the only 3-bedroom in this entire building, and it's all laid out perfectly usable space. Now, that 3rd bedroom could easily be a home office if you don't need it for additional overnight guests. But what amazes me about this suite as well is how much storage we have here. I'm not talking about the odd closet. I'm talking about an interior storage locker capable of housing bicycles, golf clubs, anything that you need. And then of course you spill over into this incredible primary suite that I'm standing in right now that has not one, but 2 walk-in closets. So there's no arguing over who gets the bigger closet here. We have a beautiful 5-piece ensuite directly off of this bedroom as well. And of course, a walkout to that incredible balcony that we showed you earlier. It truly doesn't get much better.
Now, how many of you guys thought I was gonna miss that shot? I know this guy definitely did, but it's the time of the tour. We're gonna get into the amenities. Condo living is all about that maintenance-free lifestyle, and a big part of that are the amenities that come along with the building, and Lakeside is no exception here. These are all beautiful extensions of your living space. Although with 1,400 square feet upstairs, I'm not sure how much more of an extension you need, but they've got everything that runs the gamut. This incredible games room with billiards, you've got foosball, it's got its own patio down here. Of course, you've got the fitness facility, which is a great setup. It's got a party room down here. It even has its own dog wash station right off of the entry. How cool is that? It's complete with the concierge out front, beautiful fireplace in the lobby area there, and then of course a massive rooftop terrace. But again, if you recall, you've got your own massive rooftop terrace upstairs.
That's right, Scotty. So much to love about this one. Let's just do a quick high-level recap here. We have the only 3-bedroom unit in the building available for sale now. It's penthouse. It's the only one also located on the front of the building with those incredible unobstructed views out over Little Lake. We have fantastic proximity to just about everything you can possibly ask for here. 2-car parking, unbelievable suite all around. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we certainly know Barrie Condos. For more information on this incredible listing and others, check out our website.